What do you look for there?
You are under arrest.
Under arrest for what?
Offense number 1. For tapping an officer on duty. Offense number 2. For passing federal government road without writing a letter. Offense number 3. For standing with an officer of the law, without a uniform. Are you an officer? Offense number 4. For disturbing the officer of the law on duty.
Officer.
Protecting the community.
Take it easy now. I didn't even know you are on duty, eh?
Please shift.
You should have told me I'll be on duty now. My friend, let's duty together now.
You are my friend now.
Even my wife safe.
Jesus is
My
Lord.
wife said they did not again.
What is going on here? What is happening here?
She's your wife? Both of you are under arrest. Huh? Anything you say here or do will be used against you in the court of law.
Is he alive?
See that court where he talks to? We go there now too.
Is he alive?
We dey go that court now too. That court where he talks to, we dey go there. Hold up. You don't mess that.
Hey.
Pull the shirt. Pull the shirt. Pull up.
I'm sorry.
Wait,
Gentlemen, we can settle this.
How long have you been standing here?
We can settle this amicably.
Baby, I will handle him.
Hey.
I will handle him. Pull up.
This is your
Pull
friend.
the shirt.
Police is your friend. Hey.
I say me push it. I follow you the place. Pull up. Pull up. Please. Pull up. Please. Pull that shirt. Pull up. Pull up. Pull up. Pull the shirt.
I was sent on duty.
Pull the shirt. Yeah, pull the shirt up. Pull out.
Hey, an officer is your friend.
Pull this thing. Pull the thing up. Pull it up.
Ah, please.
Don't use less police. Pull the butter. Pull the butter. And then pull the boy in the place. I go whip you. I think I pull out.
Grace, grace, grace.
I see grace.